Okay, what we're going to do today is do Pen Tool Basics 101. I'm going to open up Adobe Illustrator, say a new file. So I'm not opening up the templates, right? I'm making a new file, letter size, create. Now what I want to do is I want to go File, Place. So I need to go to my desktop. I'm going to go to Pen Tools, Bezier Lines, PDF. All I have to do is click in the corner and place it. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see that I set up my document wrong. Oopsie. All right, I'm going to click on my Artboard tool. This is a new tool for you guys. See that little thing? Looks like a selection area and a page. So the Artboard tool is how you can modify the size, shape, orientation of your document, whatever you're working on in Illustrator. So I'm going to click Portrait, and I'm going to center this on here. All right. The next thing I want to show you guys is how to make a template. So this layer right here, if I double click it, it gives me layer options. You guys see where I'm at? All right. Can you guys see the item that says template? I'm clicking the box and I'm saying OK. Did you guys see what it did to my template or to my thing? It made it look gray. Also, if you go to print, you'll notice that there's nothing in there because it's a ghost. It's not really a ghost. So now I have to create a new layer to draw upon. So I'm going to choose the pen tool. I'm going to zoom up. This first part is way too easy for you guys. You go click, click, click. But I want to show you something. Notice when I click here, it's covering up part of my things. That's because the default in Illustrator is a black stroke with a white fill. So what we need to do is to click over here to the fill and click None. Oh, I did it wrong. I'm not woken up yet, you guys. All right, the fill is this one on the left side. And again, this is the same as InDesign, isn't it? You have a fill and a stroke. Photoshop works differently. It has a foreground and a background color. But this is good for you guys because it's the same as InDesign. All right. So now what I want to do is I'm going to hold the Command key on my keyboard. Can you guys see this? What's going on there? See how it changes from the pen tool to a selection tool. And then I'm going to click away. Command key. It's that one that has that little squiggly thing. All right. So I want to show you guys the two selection tools we'll use. The black tool, again, this is just like InDesign. We'll select the entire object. The white one, if you click off of it, will select individual points or nodes. So that way, if you miss something, you can move it around. All right. This is the easy part, you guys. I want to show you guys one more thing. I'm going to go to the stroke panel, which if you don't have it on the side of your toolbox, you can go to Window, and then you can open up, where is it? Stroke. It's already open. All right. So I want you guys to change this to a 3-point stroke. This is for everybody. And I want you to change the color. So I just double-clicked it. I don't care what color you use. The reason for this is when I judge these, or not judge them, but just grade them, I want to see your work and not the template. Does that make sense? So you guys got that? Can you remember? 3-point stroke and give it a color. I don't care what color. All right. So this part is easy. So I'm going to go to the next part. Once you're done with this, you're going to print it out. But you do want, I do want you guys to put your name in here. So if you hold the Shift key, let me do that over again. If you hold the Shift key, it will make perfectly straight lines constrained to a 45-degree angle. So if I make like a 45 like that, I know this looks bad, but whatever. That's an S. Yeah, that's a pretty good S right there. All right, so you guys got this?